So guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to use Instagram hashtags. Are hashtags important? So I'm going to explain you all about hashtags. Everything would be included in this video. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of Instagram tutorials. I show you how to monetize Instagram, which means I show you how to make money on Instagram. I show you how you can get hyper targeted Instagram followers. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So how to use Instagram hashtag. Okay, so first thing is you need to use Instagram hashtag because they have put this feature for a reason. Okay, so now the basic would be, write a caption and post your hashtags in comment. The reason for that is it looks much clean and you can use maximum 30 hashtags, and I would suggest using 30 hashtags. And I've explained, so I have a Instagram hashtag ladder strategy. Okay, so basically what it means is I use 10 hashtags which are low competition, 10 hashtags which are medium competition, 10 hashtags which are high competition. So basically what it means is, let's say your content goes really viral, so the low competition hashtags, it would appear in low competition hashtags. So once it appears in low competition, once it starts appearing, it will go in medium competition hashtags. Once it goes in medium, it goes in high competition hashtags. So it's a ladder strategy and it's very simple. So I use this website called Flick. Okay, so there's a link down below. If you join with my link, you get a 7-day free trial. You go and check it out, and it's very simple. Once you log in, just type your hashtag over here. So let's say for me it's business tip. Okay, you just press enter. So I can see low competition, medium competition, high competition. Just select all. Okay, I would remove this and I would select this. That's it. And if you want to find more hashtags inside this, you can just click on this magnifying glass. You can find more competitions, and then you can click on table view and you can see daily, average posting count, average likes, potential post made, average comment, potential reach, competition score. So this is the most easiest way. If you want to learn more about the hashtag strategy, I've created one more video in the past. You can go and check it out. The link would be down below or on the cards. And that's it, guys. If you would like to learn more about it, I've created a free crash course on Instagram, how you can get thousands of hyper targeted Instagram followers and how to convert followers into paying customers. So everything's inside that free course. So the link is down below as well. Go and check it out. That's it for today's video. Yavar Khan signing off.